Let's install TeraCopy. TeraCopy is a freemium file transfer utility designed as an alternative for the built-in Windows Explorer file transfer feature. Its focus is data integrity, file transfer reliability and the ability to pause or resume file transfers. TeraCopy uses dynamically adjusted buffers to reduce seek times. Asynchronous copy speeds up file transfer between two physical hard drives. The processes can be paused or resumed. In case of transfer errors, TeraCopy will try several times. After that, it skips the faulty file and proceeds with the rest of the operation. TeraCopy also shows failed file transfers and allows the user to fix the problem and recopy the problematic files. TeraCopy offers no explanation for skipped files, it simply reports them as skipped. It may skip copying for numerous reasons that the user could correct if they were known, such as a too long file name. TeraCopy can replace Windows Explorer's copy and move functions. Let's start download it and install it. Go to Google and search for TeraCopy and take the first link, codesector.com. Click on download. Take the latest version. Click to the right on teracopy.exe. Save the file. Open the file teracopy.exe. Check I accept the terms and click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. Click Yes. Click Finish. The software are now installed and you can use it.